Michele, the manuring machines, I've not heard of them before. You're only making, about 100 a year, is that right?
Per year, yeah. Compared to the large player of the market that produce 1,000, 2,000 machines, we are a small player. So we are focused mostly in Europe.
So these are more application specific then?
Related more application, correct.
Now a nice little component you got here. I know it's in brass because of where we are at the exhibition. You can't run with coolants, lubricants. But can you talk me through this part, please?
Medical component for bone implant. As you say, brass because of the show. We do the thread on a very special attachment on the rack, and we do all with the sub spindle, all the drilling, back working, and threading on the sub spindle. We are using up to 3 tools simultaneously on the parts, but the machine has capability up to 4 tools at the same time.
Okay, 2 questions. First of all, you're doing the etching on here as well with this machine, so nice and simple?
Yes.
Okay. But I've heard of simultaneous machining, superimposed machining, where you're doing 2 or 3 faces, but you're doing 4 faces up to at one time.
We can do up to 4 phases. Of course, one thing is the machine capability, the other is the programming capability of the operator. The more you go high with the standard of the machine, the more it gets complicated then for the operator to do the correct programming.
So there's a big challenge. Any operators out there, can you machine 4 faces in one go?